Sir, could you kindly explain Surah chapter 17 verse 14? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. وكل إنسان ألزمناه طائره في عنقه ونخرج له يوم القيامة كتابا يلقاه منشورا.
Yes.
Could you kindly explain this verse?
The literal translation is that we have made to hang by the neck of every man, every person, his bird, and on the day of judgment a book will emerge from that, open book, in which man will read what he has been doing. Right? Where is the verse? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وكل إنسان ألزمناه طائره. His bird, literal translation is في عنقه ونخرج له يوم القيامة كتابا يلقاه منشورا. And every man's works, here the translation is not literal. I'm talking of literal translation, it should be. And every man's bird is fastened onto his neck. And on the day of resurrection, we shall bring out from it or him a book which he will find wide open. Right? Now the word Tahir is in fact the key word which should be understood before we understand the meaning of this verse. The word Tahir here is used in a well-known Arabic expression which means ill omen or omen. For omen, take omen, the word Tahir is used.
Yeah.
Where? Find out. So when you speak of somebody's luck, when you speak of somebody's being blessed or cursed, you talk in these terms. He will just quote the right verse, which I don't remember where it is, but I have told him he will find out from the key. The people who are hostile to the prophets, addressing them, they say that we take bad omen from you, or we understand you bring us ill luck. And the same word Tahir is used in the verbal form to indicate ill luck. So it can be ill luck or good luck. The answer to this is given by the Holy Quran, that it is your Tahir which is with you. It is not our Tahir which is creating trouble or bringing bad days for you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم. This is the word Tahir, which is given a form, a verbal form, in a certain bab or major of Arabic. قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم. Right? The proof that it is the same word Tahir which is used is found in the following verse. قالوا طائركم معكم. See? The prophets of Allah, who were thus taunted by the people to whom they were sent, they replied, طائركم معكم. Your Tahir is with you. So Tahir means luck or omen or the conduct of a person, of a people. So Ta'irukum means the book of your conduct, the record of your conduct is with you. It is this which is bringing you ill luck, not the coming of prophets or the best of Anbiya, as they call it. So there the word Tahir means exactly this. every man's record of what he has been doing, every man's record of his good deeds or bad deeds is made to fasten by his neck, or made to hang by his neck, which means neck is the symbol of life. And this is why the Holy Quran says that he is nearer to people than their jugular vein or jugular artery. Hablul Warid, yes. I was translating to English. The life artery. So it is here that some record is kept by God somehow, and that is not a record which we can discern and recognize, but of that we will speak tomorrow inshallah. And before I come, you will translate it tomorrow, and then I'll take up the matter from here and explain it further, right?
سأقدم لحضراتكم إن شاء الله ما قاله حضرته في لقاء اليوم في لقاء الغد إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
السلام عليكم.